Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. I'm here with Ellie, and Ellie just got her truck built up. Kind of a little different story because we usually talk about trucks we build up, and in this case, we did not build this one up. It was done by River Outdoors.
Yes, and off Indian School.
Off Indian School here in the Phoenix area. But it did have some of our parts on it, and we have worked with Terry and Ellie since the start of this, and so it was cool to be a little bit part of this and have some of our parts on their truck, and really kind of want to walk around this truck and just share some of the really nice things that this truck has. And this is a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 35 offset. It's got the Mickey Thompsons on it, the Baja Legends, and then it's got really nice Icon billet upper arms. It's got all the King coilovers, the 2.5s with resis, the finned resis with adjusters on it. The truck looks like it sits really, really nice, and I'm guessing it rides really nice.
It does, very smooth.
Yeah. We've got our Westcott Designs low profile ditch light brackets. You can see they're really tight to the hood here. Super stable. That's one of the things we focused on, is just keeping a really solid ditch light bracket. It's got a set of our Westcott Designs Longbed rock sliders on it. And then up in the front here, it's got a Warn winch in it, CBI front bumper, and if you look, it fits really nice, smooth, nice gaps on both sides. It's got the factor 55 fair lead and hook, and just super nice done here in the front. You guys did is it a wee boost?
Yes.
Nice setup on the wee boost back here in the back corner and the Midland, and it's all into the deck system, or actually the track system here on this. Just nicely done. We're actually going to take this truck back to the shop from here, and we're going to install a set of our bed stiffeners in this. And our bed stiffeners are kind of like a little signature piece that we do for this truck, and it's got our little Tacoma on the side of it. It looks really good. Got the Icon lower trailing arms in this, King 2.5s with resis, with fin reservoirs as well, with adjusters. So I mean, this truck is really set up really nicely. Just a great build here, super clean, the way it's been done up. Great colors, the black and the white look amazing. And you know, out here in the hot Arizona desert, at least the white will keep it a little bit cooler. So, but thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
And then thank you for letting us be a part of your build.
Of course.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching.